If you had 60 seconds to appear on TV to your ideal audience, what would you say? What product would you sell? What cause would you champion? What message would you send? For over 3 decades, we've turned our experience of being the media to helping others work together with the media successfully, here from our studios in Glasgow. Rehearsing product launches, explaining major changes to their businesses, taking their message to a wider audience in good times and in bad. When times are tough, newspapers, radio and TV stations can help to get your word out, and we can help you to understand how the media works, how to work with journalists, how to get your message across. Now, for the first time ever, that advice built up over 3 decades is available to you when you need it through our Media Masterclass, to help you build the relationships you need and find the right audience, to give your message liftoff so it soars higher, further and wider than you could ever have dreamed.